What makes you unique? The answer lies in your chromosomes, tiny structures inside nearly every cell. These chromosomes are made of DNA, the blueprint that guides your development and determines traits like hair color, height, and even biological sex. Humans have 46 chromosomes, arranged in 23 pairs. You inherit half from your mother and half from your father. The first 22 pairs are called autosomes. They control most of your traits, from eye color to blood type. Both males and females have the same autosomes. The 23rd pair is different. These are the sex chromosomes, which determine whether you develop as biologically male or female. Unlike autosomes, the sex chromosomes don't always match. This single pair is the key to one of the first aspects of your identity. The story of male and female development begins here, with the unique combination found in this crucial pair. It's amazing how much of who you are is written in this microscopic code. Let's dive deeper into the world of sex chromosomes. The journey of your identity starts here. The 23rd pair of chromosomes comes in two types, X and Y. If you inherit two X chromosomes, XX, you develop as a biological female. If you inherit one X and one Y, XY, you develop as a biological male. This difference is set at conception and is present in every cell of your body. The X chromosome is large and packed with over 1,000 essential genes, important for everyone. Females have two X chromosomes, providing a genetic backup if one gene is faulty. The Y chromosome is much smaller, with only about 70 genes. Its most important gene is SRY, which acts as a master switch for male development. If SRY is present, the embryo develops male characteristics. Without it, development follows the female pathway. The sex chromosomes are the architects of our biological differences. A tiny genetic difference leads to a wide range of outcomes. It's incredible how one gene can change everything. The X and Y chromosomes are small, but their impact is huge. Let's see how these chromosomes are passed on. Who decides a baby's sex? It all comes down to the chromosomes in the egg and sperm. Egg cells from the mother always carry an X chromosome. Sperm cells from the father carry either an X or a Y chromosome. If an X-carrying sperm fertilizes the egg, the result is XX, a girl. If a Y-carrying sperm wins, the result is XY, a boy. The father's sperm is the deciding factor, making the process a 50-50 chance. This random event at conception determines one of our most basic traits. It's a simple lottery with lifelong results. The story of inheritance doesn't end here. Let's look at how these chromosomes affect our health. The X chromosome carries many more genes than the Y, leading to unique inheritance patterns called X-linked inheritance. Females, XX, have two copies of each X-linked gene, so if one is faulty, the other can often compensate. Males, XY, have only one X, so any mutation on it is expressed, no backup. This is why X-linked conditions like red-green color blindness and hemophilia are more common in males. For example, a male with a faulty color vision gene on his X chromosome will be colorblind, while a female would need two faulty copies. Hemophilia works the same way. One faulty gene on the X means a male has the disorder, but females are usually just carriers. These differences show how the X and Y chromosomes affect more than just sex. They impact health and traits too. The genetics of the X chromosome reach far beyond sex determination. Now let's explore what happens when the number of sex chromosomes isn't typical. Sometimes, errors in cell division lead to unusual numbers of sex chromosomes, resulting in conditions like Turner and Klinefelter syndromes. Turner syndrome occurs when a female has only one X chromosome, XO. This leads to short stature, infertility, and some physical differences, but with medical care, individuals can lead healthy lives. Klinefelter syndrome affects males with an extra X chromosome, XXY. They develop as males but may be taller, have less muscle mass, and often face infertility. These conditions highlight how crucial the right balance of X and Y chromosomes is for typical development. Even a single extra or missing chromosome can have significant effects. Studying these syndromes helps scientists understand the roles of each chromosome. The X chromosome is vital for everyone, and the Y's presence or absence shapes development. These variations remind us of the delicate balance in our genetic blueprint. Our chromosomes are powerful, but even small changes can have big impacts. Let's reflect on the marvel of our genetic story. From chromosomes to traits, the science of sex determination is a story of complexity and wonder. Our 46 chromosomes, especially the 23rd pair, set the stage for who we become. The X and Y chromosomes, with their unique genes, guide our development and influence our health. The mother always provides an X. The father's sperm decides the outcome, XX or XY. Sometimes, variations like Turner or Klinefelter syndromes reveal just how precise this system is. These stories deepen our appreciation for the genetic code that shapes us. Biology isn't always perfect, but it's always fascinating. The dance of chromosomes at conception creates the diversity we see in the world. Our identity is written in this microscopic language of life. Inside each of us is a remarkable genetic story waiting to be explored.